INEOS Grenadier, the combination of BMW and Land Rover Defender. In the world of rugged SUVs, few names resonate as deeply as the Land Rover Defender. An icon of off-road capability and durability, the Defender has carved out a legendary status over decades. However, the modern iteration has veered towards luxury and sophistication, leaving purists longing for the raw, utilitarian essence of the original. Enter the INEOS Grenadier, a vehicle that promises to fill that void, combining the engineering prowess of BMW and the spirit of the original Land Rover Defender. The Grenadier aims to deliver a no-nonsense, robust driving experience. After spending some time behind the wheel, it's clear that the Grenadier is everything the new Defender could have been, and perhaps more. In this video, we will talk about the INEOS Grenadier, a vehicle that combines BMW engineering with the rugged essence of the Land Rover Defender. But before starting the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The vision behind INEOS Grenadier. The INEOS Grenadier is the brainchild of British billionaire Sir Jim Ratcliffe, a man who lamented the loss of the classic Defender's utilitarian charm and rugged capability. His vision was simple: to build a modern vehicle that adheres to the original Defender's philosophy of simplicity, durability, and off-road prowess. This vision materialized into the INEOS Grenadier, a vehicle that seeks to combine old-school robustness with modern reliability. Interior, functional and customizable. Step inside the INEOS Grenadier, and you'll find an interior that's as utilitarian as it is functional. The interior shows off a utilitarian cabin that drew its inspiration from tractor and helicopter cabins, rather than other automotive ones. Chunky switches and clearly labeled buttons adorn the cabin, making it seem more like heavy equipment rather than an automobile. While leather seats are an option, the Model 1 tested came with durable, hard-wearing materials that can withstand the rigors of off-road adventures. The seats, sourced from Recaro, strike a balance between comfort and support, ideal for long drives on rugged paths. One of the standout features is the highly customizable roof-mounted accessory panel, equipped with various toggle switches for additional equipment. This will undoubtedly excite off-road enthusiasts who enjoy tailoring their vehicle's specific needs. Instead of a traditional instrument cluster, the Grenadier features a 12.3-inch infotainment screen that displays all essential information. This touchscreen system, which includes smartphone connectivity and multiple camera perspectives, enhances visibility and control in challenging environments. The user interface is intuitive, ensuring that drivers can focus on the road or trail ahead. Exterior, rugged design. The Grenadier SUV is 193.9 inches in length, including the spare tire, 76 inches wide excluding the side mirrors, and 80 inches high. Its robust dimensions contribute to a commanding road presence, making it a standout in any environment. The INEOS Grenadier is notably longer, wider, and taller than its key competitors, the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon JLU and the four-door Sasquatch-equipped Ford Bronco. Despite its larger overall size, the Grenadier has a slightly smaller wheelbase, which enhances its maneuverability without compromising on its spacious and rugged build. Visually, the INEOS Grenadier pays homage to the classic Land Rover Defender with its boxy silhouette and rugged aesthetics. The design is both functional and evocative, reminiscent of a time when SUVs were built primarily for off-road capability. The steel ladder chassis, beam axles, and long-travel progressive rate coil spring suspension, both front and rear, underscore the vehicle's utilitarian focus. The Grenadier is available with a choice of BMW's 3.0-liter B58 inline-6 petrol engine and the 3.0-liter B57 inline-6 diesel engine. The petrol engine delivers 282 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque, while the diesel variant offers 245 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque. Both engines are paired with a ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, equipped with a heavy-duty torque converter for enhanced durability. Magna Steyr ZF BMW, the Dream Team. The development of the Grenadier has been a collaborative effort involving some of the most respected names in the automotive industry. Magna Steyr, renowned for its engineering and manufacturing expertise, has played a crucial role in developing the vehicle's off-road capabilities. BMW provides the robust 6-cylinder gasoline and diesel engines, while ZF supplies the advanced gearboxes. The use of Carrero axles further ensures that the Grenadier can handle the toughest terrains with ease. The Grenadier is built on a box-section ladder frame chassis, featuring permanent all-wheel drive, a mechanical transfer box, and the ability to tow up to 7,800 pounds under European testing methodology. This construction guarantees both strength and flexibility, allowing the vehicle to excel in various off-road conditions. Engine and performance. At the heart of the INEOS Grenadier lies a 3.0-liter, direct-injected inline-6 engine, equipped with a single twin-scroll turbocharger. This powerhouse produces 286 horsepower at 4,750 revolutions per minute and 332 pound-feet, 450 Nm of torque from 1,750 to 4,000 revolutions per minute. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a respectable 8.2 seconds, despite its substantial curb weight of 6,000 pounds, 2,700 kilograms. The combined fuel economy, rated at 15 mpg by the EPA, may not impress in city driving, but is competitive for a vehicle of this nature. The Grenadier's performance isn't just about power, it's about capability. With a towing capacity of 7,716 pounds, 3.5 tons, and a winching power of 12,125 pounds, 5.5 tons, the Grenadier is designed to tackle the toughest terrains and heaviest loads. Ground clearance stands at 10.4 inches, 264 mm, and it boasts approach, departure, and breakover angles of 35.5, 36.1, and 28.2 degrees respectively, making it an off-road beast. On- and off-road performance. The Grenadier's on-road manners are surprisingly refined, given its rugged underpinnings. The ZF 8-speed automatic transmission provides smooth and responsive shifts, while the permanent 4-wheel drive system ensures that power is distributed effectively to all wheels. This setup, combined with the vehicle's low-range capability accessed through a 2.5 to 1 Tremec 2-speed transfer case, allows the Grenadier to tackle steep inclines and challenging terrains with ease. Off-road, the Grenadier truly shines. Its heavy-duty Carrero beam axles, paired with 5-link coil suspension from Eibach, offer exceptional articulation. 9 degrees at the front and 12 degrees at the rear. Anti-roll bars improve road handling without compromising off-road capability. The vehicle's maximum tilt angle of 45 degrees further highlights its stability on uneven surfaces. Durability and build quality. The durability of the INEOS Grenadier is one of its standout features, making it a reliable companion for the harshest environments. Its box-section ladder frame chassis provides a sturdy foundation, while heavy-duty Carrero beam axles enhance off-road performance. The 5-link coil suspension, alongside Eibach components, ensures stability and traction on uneven terrain. With corrosion-resistant materials, the Grenadier promises longevity, making it a reliable choice for both off-roading and everyday driving. Pricing and availability. The INEOS Grenadier, positioned as a global model, with availability extending to the United States from the first quarter of 2024, prices start at $71,500, with the Trailmaster and Fieldmaster editions priced at $79,190. Despite the premium pricing, demand has been strong, with all 2024 Grenadiers for the US market already sold out. Looking ahead, INEOS is preparing to introduce another model, the Fusilier, a smaller, all-electric 4X4 inspired by the Mercedes G-Class. This new addition will cater to the growing demand for electric vehicles without compromising off-road capability. INEOS Automotive is a British independent automaker that's set to debut its new Grenadier SUV, an off-roader clearly inspired by the original Land Rover Defender. It looks damn near identical to a Defender, but make no mistake, it shares nothing mechanical with the famed Land Rover. Instead, it actually borrows its powertrain and infotainment system from BMW. For those who feel that the new Land Rover Defender has strayed too far from its roots, the Grenadier presents a worthy alternative. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.